Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you get internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store. So as you can see, the app actually shows up, but if we click on the install, it will be pending forever. Now let's move to the Google Chrome and see if anything works here. So as you can see, the pages won't load as well. And this fix should work on your Doogee S86 Pro. So in order to fix that, let's move to our settings. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the system. Find date and time, and from here click on use network provided time and use network provided time. Now if we go back to the Google Play Store and let's move back to the main page and select the same app, we'll be able to install it normally. And the same is with Google Chrome. Let's reload the page. And it also works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.